Hello, Blue Ocean of Compliance readers. How the reading of your book, Blue Ocean of Compliance, is going on. Whenever I go to different places for the audit and training, so a different story is formed. So you know that Delhi airport is the place where a lot of stories have formed. Last year in CPHI forgot my laptop, and all the script was there in the laptop, and yeah, it was really a very challenging situation. I remember those days. When next another time what happened that the connected flight was missed due to the first flight came late in Baroda. So like how I communicated with the airport guys, and how I managed to come early to a different state is really a different story, and how the emotional state is changing at the time. And another it is not only the story is not only there, but how my luggage was just left in Delhi, and I flied to another state, and I bought all the new garments and clothes, business attire for my business meeting, because it was not sure that when my luggage will come, and finally I got my luggage. So there are different stories are formed whenever I travel to different places, and I really enjoy that thing. And now also you can see that I am standing in the beside the river Brahmaputra, and you can see that a lot of fog is there, and climate is so good and so beautiful. But yes, unfortunately I booked my flight is booked immediately the day my audit is completed, and I could not see all the places here. But yes, next time I will make sure that whenever I go to any place, so I should keep at least 1 or 2 days for visiting the places. And yes, I love the nature very much. I really love nature. So people ask me that from where you got the inspiration about the name of your book, Blue Ocean of Compliance. So yeah, this is the nature, and that is the secret, that where I got the inspiration for this. And another thing is that there was a art and design exhibition of my daughter's institute, and there they told that nature is the inspiration of the architect of many beautiful buildings and creations all over the world. So obviously nature is inspiring, and nature always keeps on giving everybody. So I heard from my spiritual guide and teachers that become like a nature. Whatever is given to the nature, whatever negativity is given to this earth or nature, it always keep converting every negative to the positive. So whenever any situation comes in your life, so we should think that how we can convert that negative situation into some positive result, how we can convert that challenge into the opportunity, right? So it all about the thought process and mindset, that what you are thinking about the situation which is creating before, which has been created before you. Because whether you have seen any road that where there is no speed breakers, or it is only the smooth road, some or the other way, something will be uneven, will be there, and after that, crossing that, you will reach your destination. So like this, life is also a journey, and we don't know that what is going to happen. But yes, means what till date whatever happened, so how I see the things, that whatever came in on my way, whatever nature presented on my way, I always converted every challenge into opportunity. And yes, I made whenever any problem comes, or any problem is created by situation or people or anything, right? It I I make sure that I will convert that problem into the opportunity. I never waste the opportunity of the problem, or any bad thing happened. I never waste that opportunity that I will let go it like this. I will keep on complaining about the situation or problem, but I make sure that I will make some bigger and greater benefit out of that problem, and out of the problem created by any person or anything or any situation. So I make sure that I am going to convert that situation into my opportunity, and that is the biggest reason of my success what I'm getting till date. I convert every problem into opportunity. So that message I wanted to record from such beautiful place. You can see that a lot of fog is there, and this river is there. You can see the river, this river you can see. So yeah, I really enjoy to share my thought process and my views from different places, right? So that thing I wanted to share with all of you about the thought process, right? So you will also get benefited from this thought process. Means many times, remember the story that once when I remember the story that what happened, that I write poems also, and once I written a poem, and I initiated my Facebook account, and it was just new, and a lot of people were flooded for the connection. When as a poet I was starting my Facebook account, and just I keep initiated my journey of social media for my poems, and I was posting the poems in the social media. And yes, from Facebook one day at midnight I was getting the continuous call from some person, and I was avoiding it. Oh my god, what a problem is that, someone is calling in such a night, and I was just disconnected that calls multiple times, and just anyhow I switched off my mobile and I slept. So in the morning I got one message from the same number that thank you so much, I was about to do suicide, and after reading your poem I changed my mind, and yes, thank you so much, that because of your this poem I changed my decision. So I was also surprised. I was surprised ki, oh my god, that can be the impact. So I was also surprised ki whether anyone's thought can impact someone so deeply. So because even any person go to counselor, any person go to doctors, so when the person is in depression or any deep pain, so it's very difficult to change his decision from negativity to positivity, and it needs a lot of efforts. So that day I realized that no, it's if my thought can give benefit to any of the person in the world, so it will be really a blessing for me, and means I feel very good and so happy. But yes, that feeling gives me a lot of happiness and a lot of peace. So I really love to share my thoughts, and yes, so that anyone in the world, any corner in the world will listen to any of my thought, and if that thought can bring some positivity or great benefit to that person's lives, and really it nothing like that. So that experience I wanted to share with you. Okay. So Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye. I will keep sharing with you my stories, my experience, the journey of my life, and also the blue ocean of compliance tips, how to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly and very faster and very happily, right? So that I will keep on sharing with you. So do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, because on this channel every week I try to share the 2 videos on compliance and quality, which come out of my 24 years of the experience. And I try to keep sharing that, so that someone in the corner of any corner of this world will listen. And if I could contribute that people will manufacture the good quality of the medicine, then I will be successful in my mission, which is to save the life of people, or help pharmaceutical industry to reduce the cost due to non-compliance, and help pharma professional to live the life with fulfillment, abundance and legacy. Okay, with this message, Dr. Rupali Paranspe signing out until we meet again. Bye.